Hi, and welcome back to Reset Mondays. I'm your host, Melody Ho. This Monday, we're going to discuss Power Hour to get ahead. Feeling overwhelmed by a long list of tasks? Let's flip the script and take control with a Power Hour. One focus hour of undistracted work can help you tackle your most important task so you can get ahead of the game. The Power Hour is simple. Dedicate 1 hour to uninterrupted focus. Choose the most important task on your list. Those tasks that are going to make the most difference and provide the most value. They're the ones that move the needle in your business or life. And give them a full attention for 60 minutes. Seriously, 60 minutes. After all, there's 24 hours in a day. If you can't dedicate 60 minutes, maybe it's time to reshuffle and prioritize. Eliminate distractions. The key to a successful Power Hour is eliminating distractions. Close unnecessary tabs. Yes, unnecessary tabs. Just have the tabs open that you need. Silence your phone. I know it's going to be hard, but silence your phone. And tidy up your workspace. Clear desk, clear mind. The more focused you are, the more you get done. Choose your top 3 tasks. Now there's a process to this. Before you start, choose the 3 most important tasks. Write them down and commit to getting them done within this hour. Prioritizing ensures that you spend time on the things that matter most. Now, let's dive into the work. Timer starts now. Once your timer starts, dive into your work. No multitasking. At first, it's going to be hard, you're going to be tempted, but no multitasking. In reality, multitasking doesn't exist. You could only focus on one thing at a time. And no distractions. Staying laser focused on completing one task at a time. And by the end of the hour, you'll be surprised how much progress you've made. You got this. I believe in you. Reflections and accomplishments. When the hour is up, take a moment to reflect. Breathe. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did this. You just completed a focused Power Hour. Feel accomplished, review what you achieved, and carry that momentum into the rest of your day and week. It's a great way to have a reset Monday. Power Hour as a daily habit. Now, imagine if you did this every day. Just 1 hour of focused work can lead to major progress over time. Make the Power Hour a daily task, and you will see your productivity soar. Now just imagine 6 months from now, what you can do. So ready to get started? Set your timer. Choose your top task. Remember the one that's going to move the needle in your business or in your life, and dive in. Power through your work. By the end, you'll feel ahead of the game and ready to take on the rest of the day. Share your top 3 tasks for your Power Hour in the comments below. And let's hold each other accountable for a productive week. But there's more. I created a worksheet that you can download along with a daily task, Monday through Friday, because come on, after all, we need a break. So, click on the link below and download your free worksheet and tracker. Till next time, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Reset Mondays. Till next time, have a great week.